In this video, I will show you how to add your Facebook leads to Google Sheets and HubSpot CRM automatically. So the idea here is I'm running some recruitment company and this is my Facebook page, and in order to generate a new lead, I have created this Facebook lead generation form. Basically, I'm running ads for the recruitment, and whenever someone will submit this form, the details of that person will be collected automatically to this spreadsheet, and even the same person will be created as a contact in my HubSpot CRM. But to automate this whole process, firstly I will have to build an integration in this Facebook lead ad application, Google Sheets application, and in this HubSpot CRM application. And to do that, I will use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. And I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets and HubSpot CRM. Okay, now you will have to select the folder in which you want to create your automation workflow. So I have selected this main folder, main workflows. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever a new lead is captured via Facebook lead ad form application, then automatically add that lead in Google Sheets application. So that is why I'm selecting here Google Sheets, and further I want to add the very same lead as a contact in my HubSpot CRM application. Okay, so once again I am going to add one more action step, and here I will search for the HubSpot CRM application. Alright, so I have selected all the applications in this trigger and the action windows. Okay, and now the idea here is, firstly I will connect Facebook lead ad form application with Pabbly Connect and will capture all the lead details here, and then I will connect Pabbly Connect with other 2 application, and in this way I am going to automate this whole process within Pabbly Connect only. Okay, so simply click on this connect button, then click on add a new connection, click on this connect with the Facebook lead ads, and then you will have to provide the access of your Facebook account. But I am already logged in my Facebook account, so here you can notice the authorization is successful directly, and my Facebook account is also connected directly with the Pabbly Connect. And because we are connected, here you can notice whatever the pages are available inside my Facebook account have started visible here. So I'll select this specific page, that is this impetus recruitment. Okay, so let me select the same, and as soon as I select the page here, you will notice all the lead generation form that are already associated with this page will start visible here. Let me even show you the same. Okay, so this is my Facebook page. Clicking on this Meta Business Route, and after that from the left hand sidebar I'll click on this all tools section, and now scroll down and you will find the option of instant forms, and here you will be redirected to the lead ad form section, and here you will notice 3 to 4 forms are already available and the same form are visible here, and I am going to select this particular form, that is have question contact us now. Okay, so let me now close this page, coming back to the dashboard, clicking on this button save and send test request, and then you will notice that it will start waiting for the response. Okay, so I would recommend you to kindly read the instructions carefully. Okay, so it is saying that please note that after clicking the save and send test button, you will need to make a sample submission of your lead generation form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a sample submission. Now how I can do the sample submission, because I'm not running any live advertisement, these are just a testing account, a dummy page, and a testing Facebook lead ad form. Okay, so don't worry, simply click on this learn more option, and here you will find the option of Facebook lead ad testing tool. Okay, so here the link of that form is given, basically that tool is given. So basically basically we are going to use this Facebook lead ad testing tool in order to generate a dummy lead, in order to generate our sample submission. Okay, so here you can notice lead ads testing, and here once again all the pages are visible. So let me select the same page, and now I'll select my form also, that is have question, contact us now. Okay, now as soon as you click on this preview form button, the same form will be open which I have already shown you initially. Okay, so the same form is opened here. So how about I close the same form from here. Now coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and now in front of you I am going to submit this form, and you will see the same details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly. Okay, so the submission is done. Coming back, and let us wait for the response, fingers crossed. And here you can notice the response is received, and now I'll show you the details one by one. Okay, so here you can notice the age has got captured, the first name, the last name, the email address is also got captured, the city is here, the same software designer title is also captured, the gender, phone number and other details. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Facebook lead ad form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time a new lead is generated in our Facebook lead ad form, it will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I am going to send the same details in my Google Sheets. Okay, so I have already created a spreadsheet with the name job applicants data. Okay, so let me first select the action event, that is add a new row. Yes, a new row will be added first, and in that new row the lead detail will be updated. Okay, so clicking on this button, and you will have to provide the access of your Google Sheets account. Okay, but I have provided my access multiple times. Okay, so how about I reuse the existing connection, clicking on save, and in this way my Google Sheets account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, and as soon as it will be connected, it will firstly ask you to select the spreadsheet. Okay, so the same spreadsheet are already selected. Okay, so I don't need to select, and because we are connected here, you can notice whatever the spreadsheets are already available in my Google Sheets account have started visible here. Now it is asking to select the sheet. Well, because I have a single sheet only, so again the same sheet has got selected automatically, and now whatever the columns are available inside my sheet have started visible here also. Okay, so I just need to provide the data in these fields, and in this way the details will be added in this column. Here you can notice we have this age, email, name, city, job title, gender and phone. Okay, the same columns are visible: age, email, name, city, job title and gender and phone. Okay, and now from where I'm going to provide the data in these fields, remember I have already captured this data as a response of my first step of my trigger step. And the interesting thing here is I'm not going to manually copy these details and paste below again and again. I am going to map this data. Okay, and mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Simply select that data, and in this way the detail will be mapped. And now I am going to map the details, and now in the same way I am going to map the data in other fields also. But you must be thinking, what is the importance of this mapping? Okay, so whatever the details I will map here, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. Okay, so I am repeating this thing once again. The details which I am mapping here from the drop down, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. But just in case I will provide any data manually here, that data will remain same for every new lead. Okay, so that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation, and in this way our automation will take place. Okay, lastly it is asking for the gender, which was male. Okay, let me select the same, and now further it is asking for the phone number, again a dummy number I have mapped. Okay, so I think I have provided the detail in all the fields. How about I click on this button and you will notice that the same details will be updated automatically to Google Sheets. Okay, so going back to my spreadsheet, and here you can notice the same details, the same lead data has been collected to my spreadsheet, and here we have the same age, the same email address, that is dummy@pabblytudes.com. we also have the same name, that is dummy user, the city as Bhopal. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between our Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is also working absolutely fine. And now I am going to add the same data into my HubSpot CRM. Okay, so just like I have connected above two applications with Pabbly Connect, now I'll be connecting this HubSpot CRM with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us select the action event, that is create a contact, because I want to perform the same. Now clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, and then click on this button, that is connect with HubSpot, and then you will have to provide the access of your HubSpot account. Okay, but once again I am already logged in my HubSpot account, so I am going to directly choose the account, and after that I am going to provide the permission, and in this way the authorization will be successful and my HubSpot CRM account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here you can notice it is connected, and now it is asking for several details which are actually required for creating a contact in any CRM. Okay, but I'm not going to provide the details in all other fields. I will provide the data only into the necessary, only into the required and the mandatory fields. Okay, so firstly it was asking for the age, and yes, we do have this age information, so let me search for the same. Basically let me select the same. Alright, it is done. And in the same way I am going to map the details in other fields also. Well, currently I have basic information only, so I will provide the data only in such fields. Okay, asking for the gender, which was male. Alright, I have mapped it. Let me move down, let me scroll down, and will provide the data in other fields also. Okay, asking for the email address, quarantine reason. Alright, no. Lead status, how about I make it as new. Asking for other details also. Well, I'm actually looking for the basic information like the email and phone number. Okay, so give me a second, let me reach out to that. So here it is asking for the first name, so yes, I can map it successfully. And here I would like to give you a small tip. Mostly CRM ask the first name and last name data individually, so I would recommend here to keep your first name and last name field individually only while collecting the information. Okay, this is just a small tip from my side. Asking for the last name. Okay, so let me map the same. And now I will map the email address in this particular field. Okay, in the same way I am going to do that. And do we have any other field in which I can provide the information? Yes, I can provide the phone number here, and again it was a dummy phone number only. Okay, so I think I have provided the data in all the important fields. Yes, there is a city field left, so how about I provide the city information also. Okay, and now I am going to click on that save and send test request button directly, because I have provided the data in all the mandatory fields. Alright, so clicking on this button, waiting for the response, and if that response is positive, that means my lead will be added automatically and immediately to my HubSpot CRM. So here you can notice the response is received. Let me refresh my dashboard, and here you can notice the detail have been updated automatically. This is the same user, dummy@pabblytudes.com, even the same phone number, and if I will click on this name, you will find other information also like the city, gender, etc. Alright, so I'm scrolling down and here clicking on this view all properties, and how about I directly for the gender, which was male, and yes, we do have this information. Alright, so the presence of this data clearly shows that our automation is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time a new lead is captured via this specific Facebook lead ad form, the details will be added automatically to this spreadsheet, and even the same person person will be created as a contact in our HubSpot CRM software, okay? And in order to automate this whole process, you need to create this workflow inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually, okay? And just in case, if you want to access this 3-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link and then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same 3-step workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.